Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogpad token from Dogpad Finance. This token just got listed on a central exchange. It actually gets listed tomorrow, March 17th at 6 a.m. UTC time. We're going to talk about that and the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Dogpad Finance token, ticker symbol is Dogpad. This token is being listed tomorrow on a central exchange called Hotbit. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Dogpad, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. The cool thing about Hotbit is there's tons of investing strategies on Hotbit where you could put your tokens in DeFi farm pools, lock up, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you could earn really high APY on a lot of different tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code down there. Now, what is this project all about here? It says Dogpad is the cryptocurrency ecosystem built on the Ethereum network with a focus on providing a one-stop shop for token creation and management on Shibarium's network. The main utility of Dogpad is the Launchpad, which enables projects to launch their initial DEX offerings, their IDOs. However, the Dogpad ecosystem offers a range of additional tools and services to streamline the token creation process. Dogpad's Launchpad is the central hub for projects looking to launch an IDO. The Launchpad provides an easy-to-use interface for managing the IDO process, including token distribution and fundraising. The utilities provided by Dogpad generate revenue, with 70% of the revenue used to buy and burn Dogpad monthly. This helps to maintain the stability of the Dogpad ecosystem and provide long-term value for token holders. We are a comprehensive cryptocurrency ecosystem built on the Ethereum network, offering a range of tools and services to simplify the token creation process with our focus on revenue generation, buy and burn, and community rewards. Dogpad is poised to become a leading player in the crypto space. So, tokenomics are on here. It says that there's an initial liquidity of 865 billion tokens, and central exchange listings and Shibarium migration get 135 billion tokens for a total of 1 trillion tokens. So it's really easily split up here. 86.5% goes to liquidity and 13.5% central exchange listings and Shibarium migration. Now, there is a 3% tax if you are going to buy this token off I believe it's probably on Uniswap because it's an Ethereum token, but you don't have to worry about that tax if you do buy it off of Hotbit, which is what I was talking about. Hotbit has very low fees. It's like less than a 1% tax. It's like very, very low fees. I did a video on it before. It's like 0.1 or like very tiny tax. So you don't need to worry about that. And yeah, you don't even have to add the tax in like you do on Uniswap. Now, I mean, well, you have to change slippage on Uniswap. That's what I meant. So anyways, roadmap. Phase 1, Dogpad deployment and stealth launch. So liquidity burn and renounced ownership, Telegram community creation, Medium, Twitter, ideas and goals, Telegram community opened, new website and dashboard, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, and then community growth, small organic marketing push. Phase 2 is going to be website upgrade, staking launch, bridge launch, farming launch, locker launch, initial central exchange listings, website deployer and Telegram deployer, Launchpad with initial features, first marketing campaign, and then the full Launchpad, and then Shibarium launch migration to Shibarium, and then phase 3 is going to be building on Shibarium. Now, they do have their own NFTs. They have the doggy NFTs. So there's a total of 500 doggies with different rarities and the same set of utilities on the Dogpad ecosystem. After receiving feedback from the community regarding their interest in our ecosystem and their utilities, we have compiled the following utilities for our NFTs. So they have the locker, contract deployer, staking, and bridging. So you could read all about those as well. So Dogpad's Launchpad is the central hub for projects looking to launch an IDO. Staking, you can stake and you can earn rewards up to 50% APY, it says. They have liquidity farming, and it says stay active on your socials to find out when that gets launched. So we'll look at the socials here in 1 second. Then they have the bridge, which is a simple, intuitive tool for bridging tokens between Ethereum and Shibarium chains. The bridge operates on a low 0.5% fee, so that's a small fee there. And then they have the locker. The Dogpad's locker is a fast and effective utility for locking liquidity tokens and creating vestings. Projects can pay a fee in bone tokens to use this utility. So it goes over that on there. Now, their Twitter, at Dogpad Finance, verified. They have the blue check mark, 699 tweets, very active on Twitter. They have 9,721 followers. It says Dogpad is the Shibarium Launchpad ecosystem, launched first on Ethereum, having utilities ready for Shibarium. Now, they probably have a, they do have a Telegram as well. You can find their Telegram at Dogpad Finance. They also have a Discord you could join as well. Let's check out the Etherscan here. Their Etherscan says right now they have 2,298 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 trillion tokens. So you could find, and a circulating market cap supply of $3.59 million. So you can find this token listed tomorrow, like I said, on Hotbit. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.